Welcome to our channel. Today, we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to open a free bank account with Chase online. Step 1. Visit Chase's official website. Go to chase.com and navigate to the Checking and Savings section. Look for accounts labeled as free or with no monthly fees, like the Chase Total Checking account. Step 2. Choose the right account. Compare account features such as fees, mobile banking options, and ATM access. Select the account that best fits your needs. Step 3. Start the online application. Click on Open Account and fill out your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Step 4. Provide identification. Upload or enter your ID details such as a driver's license or passport. This step verifies your identity for security purposes. Step 5. Fund your account. Make an initial deposit using a linked bank account, debit card, or transfer. Some Chase accounts may allow you to open with $0, but check the minimum requirements. Step 6. Review and submit your application. Double-check all your information and agree to the account terms. Submit the application and wait for confirmation. Step 7. Set up online banking. Once approved, log into Chase online or via the mobile app to manage your account, set up direct deposit, and explore other banking features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.